Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody out there doing? Well, it could be good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in the world today. Happy Monday. Hope you having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right. If you have not checked out my other projects to see what else I've got going on, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. The link is also in the description, guys. All right, we're back. Want to show you how you can copy paste emails to promote your business opportunity. All right, using this tool that I'm going to show you here in a second. But before we get into that, let's just go over the FTC disclaimer because I can't make any income claims. I can't make any guarantees of what you can make. FTC disclaimer, average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, go to income.thehba.net, all right, because it actually takes commitment and work. You got to put the work in to get the results you want, right? All right, with that being said, we're using the Home-Based Business Academy, right, that I'm using to send these emails to, all right? $25 digital business. You can get started for as low as $25, right? But they do have a product that's $10. But we're just showing you how we're copying and pasting these emails. Check it out. All right, let's get back to our quote of today. You can't cheat the grind. It knows how much you've invested and it won't give you anything you haven't worked for. Wow. All right, this quote is by Eric Thomas, the hip hop preacher. I don't know if you guys know him. He's a top influencer out here in the market. All right, he does a lot of kind of like a Tony Robbins, right, type of influencer. He does all types of conferences that you can attend. All right, he's a great motivation. So anyway, that's one of his quotes that I put in the system. All right, in the Home Business Academy, this is what you would get when you get signed up. The system have quotes already in here. You can add your own quotes. I have it where it rotates my quotes and the ones that the system have already. So anyway, that's the one that pops up for today. So let's get into it here. We have our emails that I've had this system create for me, this wonderful system here under the Home Business Academy. This AI powered software is called Prompt Write AI. All right, I go in here and I tell it what I want and it spits out. Like it says here, the persuasion writer. Okay, it helps me come up with these emails or whatever I want. Okay, so I'm going to use this one for today. And then I'm going to go in over into this system that we have that's called My Legion Secret. All right. This is an emailer. Oh, it logged me out. Hang on. Let me get back in here. This emailer system actually gives me 200 emails a day. When you first start out, you get 100. Once you get your first referral, if you refer one person to this My Legion Secret, they'll give you an extra 100. So I'm receiving 200 leads a day. And here they are. Let me show you. Where is it? We click my leads, right? Right here, 200 leads. Here they are, right? 200 leads. If I click right there to show me their first name, their last name, their IP address, and what country they're out of, which is United States, okay? They sprinkle one or two, what did I see, Canada or something, but they're all pretty much US, right? So anyway, I got 200 leads I can send to today. So I go here. This mailer is already set up. All I have to do is what I'm showing you here. Click mailing system. The leads will fall over here. You click select. They'll all pop up over here. And it tells you I have 127,400 leads. All right. And then I'm going to paste the subject. See right here it says subject. Okay, and then I'm going to identify them by the first name, because remember I have their first name. in here in the system, and I'm going to send this. I've got the first name. I'm gonna change the font here. This is a copy paste method that you can use to get eyeballs on your opportunity. Okay, another strategy. Okay, there's tons of ways to do this. And then I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna copy the rest of this all the way down. Okay, okay, copy it, and you come here and you paste it. Okay, that's it, that's all. All right, in this here, and then I'm gonna put my name under here. I'm not gonna do the picture for the sake of the video today, but you can put your picture in here also, guys. So you see how simple that was? Copy, paste, send. That's it. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna send this over. I'm gonna use the all-in-one page for the Home Business Academy. I'm using this particular account, and all I'm sending to this account is the Home Business Academy. And then I also will come down here. And I'm gonna put my lead gen secret in here too, though. Okay. P.S. Here's the system, the emailing system I'm using to get 100 leads a day. Okay, I'm just throwing that in there. You see that? So hang on. All right, then I'm gonna go over here to affiliate, and I'm gonna get my link. Wrong one. Click on my links, and I'm gonna go down here, and I want to use the all-in-one. I'm gonna put my lead gen secret so I can track it, right? And I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna come back over here, and I'm gonna put. Are you willing to follow a simple system? Okay, no pressure, just information. I need the CTA. Watch this video. Click here. Click here. More. Okay, I threw that in there. And I'm going to paste it there. We're gonna put our link in there for Home Business Academy. Boom, just that simple. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, that's it. Okay, Home Business Academy, right? And I may make that put a little color on it, a little yellow. Boom, so it'll stand out there. Okay, are you willing to follow a simple system? See that? Pretty simple. Okay. And then I'm going to put the My Lead Gen Secret link. Hold on. Okay, so I have my link for My Lead Gen Secret. And I put it right here. I'm going to also highlight that. Okay. You'll get familiar with this as you start using it, guys. So I'm kind of just zipping through it. But I wanted you to see how you just copy. I'm using Home Business Academy. Under premium, we have the premium tools. The Prompt Write AI creates my emails for me. I copy them, and then I come over here and I paste them over here in the My Lead Gen Secret emailing system. All right, boom, boom, boom. Put my name. Okay, that's how simple. It's ready to roll. I can preview it. All right, this is the subject. Can you really build something with this? Yada yada. All right, I'm going to go ahead and say yes. Let's send that email out. That's it. You see that? And it will be quicker when you're doing it. I'm trying to explain it and go back and forth with you guys, right? But that's it. Very simple. Just that fast. Look, your message is in queue. Okay? So it's in queue. I can go over here. See, it's sitting here. All right? That's real time, right? All right. Now, and there's some other emails that I sent before. Okay, so simple platform. All right. Now, the other thing I want to show you guys is you can download these leads, right? You can download. So you click on my leads, right? These are yours. I'm not going to click here because it's going to show the name and the email addresses of these folks. But let's say you get here, you say, well, you know what? I have a autoresponder, okay, that I want to take these leads and put them over there too. Or I just want to download them to my computer because they're mine. If I decide I want to cancel tomorrow, I want my leads. Great. Okay, so you come to my leads and you click right here. See this little button up here? This is all of them, right? Come all the way down to the bottom. Look what it says. Download my leads. Download all leads from all pages. Boom. Okay, so you can do that. And you may have Aweber, whatever you have. And you can dump them over there, or you just download them to your computer to have them. Okay, so you can do that. All right, cool. All right, then over here is affiliates. Okay, because I'm an affiliate of the program, because they do pay out commissions on this as well, small commissions, but hey, nevertheless, you get paid if you refer folks to this system. All right, so if you click on affiliates, here's like a page for the affiliates to see for you as an affiliate. Here are the links that we can promote this program with. Then they break down the comp plan. You're going to make $5 on personal membership sales to customers who purchase directly from your link. So everybody that signs up with you with My Legion Secret, they're going to pay you $5 a month over and over and over. Okay? So on the second level, you're going to make $4. On the third level, you're going to make $3. On the fourth level, you make $2. And on the fifth level, you make $1. Okay? These are personally sponsored affiliate memberships, level 2 all the way down to level 5. If you refer someone, cool. Then they pay their commissions out via PayPal, check, or Bitcoin. All right, so check it out. Go ahead and click the link for My Legion Secret. It's in the description of the video. All right, but right here it shows you when you get ready to check out. Yes, you will receive 100 high-quality leads daily. They explain that to you. They say, I fully understand. You understand this, that you will be getting a very valuable system here. Okay, for $1 a day, up front for 30 days, which I just explained to you. One time $30 setup, and then $30 a month. As long as you keep the membership. Of course, if you decide to cancel, you cancel. Okay? Alright, so then they explain over here, same thing, what I just explained. 100 leads a day is 3,000 leads a month. You get the first name, last name, email address, and IP address, and the date that they acquired the lead, the company. They're explaining that this is a done-for-you emailing platform, so you don't have to worry about spamming, because these folks have already given permission to receive emails about how to make money online. These are biz opportunity seeker leads. Alright, and then here is the price point again, ongoing $30 as long as you keep it. Alright, very simple. That was step 1, fill out your information here. Step 2, enter your credit card info, and they say it again. So they want you to know, hey, at the bottom down here, by checking this, you agree to be billed $60 today and then just $30 every month. Okay, until you decide to cancel it. And if you decide to cancel, you send an email to this email address right here. They have it on the screen. Okay. Cool. Then they have a little chat box right here. Leave a message. All right. So that's that system. Okay. That's just one way you can market this, market to your businesses. Even if you're not in HBA, I'm just showing you what I'm using. One of the tools I'm using. All right. So we got the Home Business Academy, and you can check this out as well if you're looking to earn residual. Okay. Again, no income claims because we don't know what you're going to do with the information. Alright, so just put the work in. If you want the results, it's going to take focus and commitment. Okay? Alright, so they've got 4 products with the Home Business Academy. They've been around since 2016. We're talking 10 years. The owners are present. They are engaged. They answer all your questions. Yes, personally, they're on all the trainings. Okay? So they got 4 products. Let's go. Alright, personal development app. It's only $10 a month. You earn $8 every month recurring for every customer you refer, as long as they keep their subscription. That's product 1. Number 2 And the link is in the description for this as well, so you can get more information. I'm not going to read all over this today. Second product is the HBA Funnel Builder, the marketing system tool. This software helps you build your funnels, your capture pages, all those pages, unlimited. Unlimited, as I said, okay? You don't have a cap on how many pages you can build. The funnel builder is $25 a month, okay? And you're gonna earn $20 every time you refer someone to that. As an internet marketer, affiliate marketer, you must have a funnel from some company. This is the one I recommend because it's affordable for the masses, and you get training on it. They don't just give it to you and say, bye-bye, go in your back office and figure it out. No, they have actual mastermind trainings on it and step-by-step video tutorials on it as well. All right? So at any point in time, you can come on these masterminds and get help from the owners themselves. These are the owners, Mike and Paul. Okay? They will answer your questions. That's product number 2. Product number 3 is the Premium Traffic and Conversions Academy, which includes traffic and conversions, marketing, training, show you how to convert your leads, how to get leads, and you see those AI tools that I was in over here. Okay, you got to have premium to be able to get these tools right here. The prompt right AI that I was in just now with the showing you the ads and stuff I create, you need this one. Okay, so that includes all of that, and that's coaching and training. You're going to be able to, if you join this company, they train Monday through Friday. So there's lives going on 5 days a week in the masterminds, okay? So definitely a program you definitely want to check into. All right, so that's product number 3. See right here, it says daily and weekly coaching masterminds. So 5 days a week, you're getting live training. Not to mention the pre-recorded trainings that's already in here. Their 4th product is called the Financial Literacy. It's a digital education course. All right, this is a one-time payment. There's no monthly and there's no residual with this one. Just mid-ticket, you earn $400 or $800 every time you resell this Financial Literacy Academy. All right, see the course. All right, and it breaks down all the things, all the topics that's in here. You know, it's not even all of them, not even listed. But I put a link in the description. All right, so you can click that link and kind of see what you would get. But this is taught by a CPA attorney, okay, this course. All right, so $400 to $800 commissions when you resell that one, one-time commissions. And these products can be purchased a la carte, guys. Okay, you can come in here and just get one product. You can get 2, you can get 3. You can go all in like I did and get all 4. But you can get them separately. You know, you may be a person that say, well, you know what, I just want to focus on this this one right here, the financial literacy. I want to be able to share that with business owners and entrepreneurs and earn $400 to $800. You could do that. Come in here and just buy that course. And you get an affiliate link for this. Okay? So, get in where you fit in is what I like to say. All right, and then every morning we've got, guys, all right, check it out. Come over here. Once you get in, whatever product you decide you want to purchase, click live coaching. All right, and every morning, look, we've got a mastermind call. This is free. Grow Rich Mastermind. These are some great calls, motivation and inspiration. See, live is free. Recordings, the recordings are for the premium members, but you can actually hear the replays by calling this 24-hour replay number. So 9 o'clock, Monday through Friday. Come and get your mind right before you get your day going. Or while you out driving, you at the gym, listen in. Tap in, all right? So that's it. That's all. Just wanted to bring you guys that this morning. And make sure before you get out of here, you smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you in the next video. Have a blessed day.